Whoa! Yo!
This might have to be a cup. It's track day things.
Hell yeah.
If we're walking out of the store with one thing, it's gonna be Modern Warfare 2.
It's definitely gonna be Modern Warfare.
Let's get it. We rolling in a little 04 Infiniti G35 right now. A little coupe, little 6-speed manual. You feel like that? This guy's car over here. He's the only one with the fun car right now, but we're working on it.
The come up.
Just wait and see. My leg hurts from this car, to be honest.
Yeah, dude. This clutch is not fun.
No.
Copping some shit for the GoPro.
Yep.
Alright, so what are we looking for?
For these GoPro accessories.
These GoPro accessories. Ladies and gentlemen.
To be honest.
A TV right now?
No, not right now, but...
Why not right now? Yo, you should cop a wheel.
Cop a wheel?
Yeah. Tell me. A racing wheel. That shit's fun. These accessories.
I'm sure that the cup and everything's gonna be like $60.
$60.
I'm sure.
You tripping. A charger and a fucking cup.
Yeah.
Cup.
If we're walking out of the store with one thing, it's gonna be Modern Warfare 2.
It's definitely gonna be Modern Warfare. Doing this sexually. The Misfits. I ventured off by myself. I don't think we're gonna find anything, to be honest. I'm just gonna drive around. Whoa! Yo!
This might have to be a cup, right?